Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you guys how to download WhatsApp Business on your Android phone. Step 1. The first thing you'll need to do is open up Google Play Store. You can find it on your home screen. Just look for the colorful triangle icon that says Play Store. Once you're in the Play Store, tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on the search bar at the top and type in WhatsApp Business. You should see WhatsApp Business pop up as the first result or the second result. Make sure it's by WhatsApp LLC. Now go ahead and tap on install. When the download is complete, hit open to start WhatsApp. Tap on agree and continue. Then WhatsApp will ask you for permissions. Just tap and allow. Next, you'll need to enter your phone number to verify your account. Make sure it's the number you want to use with WhatsApp. And that's it. You successfully downloaded and set up WhatsApp Business on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.